Hello everybody, gonna have another quick little review video for you today. Today I'm gonna make the 2cm Flakvierling 38 anti-aircraft cannon. This is by Sam Karakar. I know I said his name wrong on that one. Anyway, I should have just let you read these things. Anyway, this is kit number 2262. Skill level 3 out of 5, and it contains 777 Lego elements. So here's the build of the 2cm Flakvierling 38 anti-aircraft cannon. Pretty cool little build. I mean, it does spin around quite a ways. Kind of hard to do with one hand. 4 little guns out the front. They're simulated, obviously they're not brick arms or anything like that. Not much to really say about it. I mean, it does kind of go up and down. There you go. There is a little sighting glass on the back of it there. Not sure how easy it'll be to fit somebody in there or a minifig in there to operate it, but it is a cool little build. It'll make a good little spot in a diorama or a mock if you're wanting to do that. For only having 77 pieces, it was not too complicated, but there were some strange little builds in it. It does look cool. I've got one other flak cannon by the Germans somewhere in my room that I need to build that's going to be a little bit bigger than this one. But anyway, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Click the bell if you want to be notified when I put out my next videos. And have a wonderful day.